Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about the budget section of the Rapid Reno Mate app. So I've had a couple of people writing going, wow, that budget section is really meaty. Exactly how does it work? And that's what I'm going to be talking to you about today. So when you first become a user with the app, you will notice that you're prompted to add a project. And that is because we don't want you to be writing down any of these numbers. This isn't to be double dipping or writing down your budget and then having to enter it into the app or a spreadsheet. This is about doing it once, doing it right, and it being live. So when you first add your project, you'll find the plus button down the bottom of the app. If you click on that plus button, that will then come up with our trackpad. You'll notice in there, there's a thing called project planning. As you add products into there, the app will automatically calculate for you based on the sizes you put in for your different rooms and spaces, exactly how much you need and how much it's going to cost you. This is automatically populated into your budget. However, it doesn't stop there. If you click the plus track button again, you will see in that trackpad line a budget item. If you go into there, this then allows you to add extra elements. So it allows you to add all of your trade costs and estimates. It also allows you to add extra things such as rollers, paint trays, drop sheets, sledgehammers, a drill you might need, all of the extra bits and pieces. These can also be added from the things you'll need list in the reference section. So we have 3 elements to your budget so far. The actual products that you need based on the quantities you've entered. We also have the extra miscellaneous items that you've entered through your budget section and your trade costs that you've also entered through your budget section. Now, it's one thing to have a budget, which is amazing, but it's a completely different kettle of fish to follow a budget and know how it's tracking on a day-to-day basis. So again, if you click that plus button at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a thing called budget progress. This then allows you each and every time you spend money, so each and every time you go pick up your paint order or you go pick up your tile order, to actually enter the exact amount that it costs you. This then allows you to see how far over or under budget you are on each and every item. And if you click to see it graphically represented, you'll be able to see how much you've spent, how much money you got left to spend, and also the value of the amount of product you have left to buy. So there you go. It's a very meaty, very complex in the back end budget section, but for you guys, it's simple. What do you want? How much you need to spend? How are you tracking your budget? It's a fantastic way to keep your budget live and keep yourself on track. Enjoy.